So we made it back to Medina. That was fucked. So Mueller's Road was blocked by a tree, and then I tried to find an alternative route around it, and that was when I got stuck. And I'd already made the call to turn around. I was just trying to turn around and I got stuck. So I've had to ride all the way back on Mueller's back to Medina, and I was already light on fuel to be able to do this whole loop. So alrighty, just started up the needles. They are there. Kind of looks a bit underwhelming from this view, but anyway, nice little peak in the southwest. Making our way up the needles. Right, made it to the top of the needles. That's what we're looking at. It's a very light breeze up here. It's quite nice. Bloody good conditions for the southwest, that's for sure. Don't get too many days over summer like this. And that was that place, the Westaway Fuel Dispensary. This is either number 33 or 34, can't quite keep track. So just a nice little dirt road to have a bit of a rip on. This stuff's nice and skatey on top. Just listen to this thing when you give it to her. Oh, just loves it. Alright, we are headed up to Pulpit Rock. The hunt for the lookout at the top of this thing. Google shows us connecting up, but who knows, it's a bit of a rabbit warren. Number 36. I just got to be careful on this one because it's a nice rippable road that's a little bit skatey, just gravel. It's a really nice hill climb, nothing technical, just a nice grav hill climb. are just turning into the car wash to give the bike a wash down after a big day. 36 tracks in, what is it, it'll be just after 6, so 11ish hours, which is not bad.